In modern romance, listening habits can diffuse storms before they start, guiding couples to hear feelings before rushing to conclusions. This story follows a couple in a heated moment who chooses to reflect back what they hear, rather than retaliate. By labeling emotions with phrases like "I hear you," they create room for repair and closer connection. The key is a brief pause, a shared breath, and a commitment to solving the problem together. The payoff is trust that endures stress and growth through deliberate listening.